Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnItAll YouTube channel, where we explore ways to achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. Today we are diving into an exciting topic, passive income ideas to make money while you sleep. If you're ready to learn how to earn money with minimal effort, keep watching. Alright, let's get started. Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it on a daily basis. Here are some of the top passive income ideas you can start today. Number 1. Publish book. If you love writing, this is a great way to share your knowledge and earn money. You can publish your book on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Once your book is live, it can generate income for years with minimal maintenance. Plus, you can write on a variety of topics you are passionate about or knowledgeable in. And remember, you do not need to write a 300-page novel. Start with a 70 to 80-page ebook. It's about getting your work out there and positioning yourself in the market. Yes! To start, you will need a computer and some basic writing software like Microsoft Word. You can outline your book topic, write and edit it yourself. If you want a professional touch, hire a freelancer from platforms like Fiverr to proofread and design a book cover. A budget of around $100 to $200 would be great for this. Number 2. Setting up an automated online store. Consider setting up an automated online store using Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. This service handles storage, packing and shipping for you. You find product to sell, send them to Amazon and they take care of the rest. Start with a small quantity of good quality, low price product to build your customer base. As you build trust, you can gradually increase your inventory and sell high price item. To start, you will need some initial inventory. A budget of $500 to $1,000 is a good starting point. You can use tools like Jungle Scout to find profitable products and manage your inventory. Number 3. Creating and selling online courses. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not create and sell online courses? Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to share your knowledge with a global audience. You do not need to create a massive course right away. Start with small or even a free course to build your reputation. Once your course is published, students can enroll and learn at their own pace, providing you with a steady stream of passive income. Start by structuring your course content in Microsoft Word. Record your screen and voice using free software like OBS Studio. A decent microphone will cost you around $50 to $100. For basic editing, you can use free tools like DaVinci Resolve. An initial budget of $100 to $200 should cover the basic. Number 4. Starting a YouTube channel. Another great passive income idea is starting a YouTube channel. Share your knowledge, hobbies or any content you're passionate about. You do not need any fancy equipment or extensive editing skill. Start by posting shorts, informative videos, focusing on the content. Engage with your audience, build a community, and over time you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Use your smartphone to record videos and free software like HitFilm Express for editing. Focus on creating valuable content and engaging with your audience. An initial budget of $50 to $100 for a tripod and microphone can enhance your videos. Set a target to post one video every week. Consistently doing this over the next few years can help you build a strong audience and start generating significant passive income. Number 5. Investing for compound interest. Investing is another powerful way to generate passive income. By investing in stocks, bonds or mutual fund, you can benefit from compound interest. Over time, your investment can grow significantly, providing you with a substantial income without additional effort. Additionally, consider investing in commodities like gold and silver. This tangible asset can appreciate over time and provide a hedge against inflation, diversifying your portfolio and adding another stream of income. Start small with an amount you're comfortable with, like $100 or $200 per month. Use platforms like Robinhood or Vanguard to manage your investment. Can you imagine if you had invested $100 per month in the S&P 500 over the past 5 years, from January 2019 to the end of 2024? You would have invested a total of $7,200 and could potentially have around $11,274 now, making a profit of about $4,074. Similarly, if you had invested in 1 gram of gold per month during the same period, you would have accumulated 72 grams by now. Given the price appreciation, your total investment of approximately $3,010 could now be worth about $4,399, yielding a profit of around $1,389 for the gold investment. Now think how much you could gain if you started to invest per month in the stock market and commodities for the next 5 to 10 years. The potential for growth is immense, and with the power of compound interest and asset appreciation, your investment can provide substantial returns over time. Number 6. Creating an online business with a team. Another fantastic idea is creating an online business and building a remote team to run it. This could be anything from a digital marketing agency to an e-commerce store. By hiring a remote team, you can cut down on cost and automate daily operation. Your team can handle tasks like graphic design, writing, or consulting, allowing you to focus on scaling your business and earning passive income. Hire freelancers from platforms like Upwork to handle tasks like graphic design, writing, or consulting. This allows you to cut down on costs and scale your business. A budget of $500 to $1,000 to start should help you set up a website and hire initial team members. We understand what you're wondering. Hiring a team of people will cost a lot as you need to pay their salaries. Maybe you can take advantage of short-term employment options like internship or training program. This way you pay them less. At the same time, you can evaluate the value their skill brings to your business. If their work contributes to increased revenue, you can consider keeping them permanently. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Once you build a good customer base or an engaged audience, affiliate marketing can be an excellent way to earn passive income. By promoting products or services you love, you can earn a commission on every sale made through your referral link. Join affiliate programs from companies like Amazon and share your link to your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. It's a great way to monetize your platform further. Let's see a real-life example. Meet Jack. Jack comes from an ordinary background like many of us, with a regular job and dreams of something more. Growing up with simple means, Jack always imagined a life where he didn't have to worry about money all the time. Jack's journey to financial freedom started with a light bulb moment when he wanted to stop living paycheck to paycheck. That's a feeling a lot of us can relate to, right? So Jack decided to dive into the world of passive income, hoping to find a way out of the rat race. Jack started by doing thorough research on the type of tools he could use and the best approaches for each passive income stream. He discovered ideas like making online courses, writing ebooks, and starting YouTube channel. It sounded exciting and doable even for someone with a tight budget like Jack. Jack faced challenges along the way, like not having fancy equipment or a big audience. But he didn't let that stop him. Jack learned that starting small and being consistent was the key to success. To stay disciplined, Jack used a productivity app like Todoist to list his tasks and schedule his daily activities. This helped him keep track of his progress and stay on top of his goal. For his online course, Jack utilized OBS Studio, a free recording software, to capture his lessons. He structured his content using Microsoft Word, and to seek feedback, he posed questions on forums like Reddit and Quora. Jack set specific targets, aiming to script 2 videos and screen record 1 each day. And for his YouTube channel, Jack kept it simple. He used his mobile phone to record videos, then dedicated 3 days to editing and 1 day to publish. By creating a system and being specific with his goal, Jack knew that consistent execution would eventually lead to passive income. Jack planned meticulously. For his ebook, he used Microsoft Word to write the content, tapping into the assistance of ChatGPT for brainstorming ideas. He aimed to write at least 1 page a day, keeping his goal manageable yet progressive. After putting in continuous effort for a few years, Jack began to see significant results. His YouTube channel got monetized, earning him money even while he slept. His courses on Udemy started selling steadily, and his ebook on Amazon generated a consistent stream of income. Jack's story is a proof that with determination and a plan, anyone can achieve financial freedom. So if you're dreaming of a life where you can call the shots, maybe it's time to take the first step, just like Jack. So what do we learn from Jack's story? If you have a system for your goal, where you list the tasks and processes you need to focus on every day for a period of time, achieving your goal becomes much easier. For example, imagine if you want to become a designer in 120 days. Maybe your system can be spending 1 hour on Photoshop every day for the next 120 days. If you want to become a web developer in 90 days, the system could be spending 2 hours on website coding every day for the next 90 days. If you want to create a successful YouTube channel in 1 year, the system could involve spending 1 hour on learning about YouTube daily, uploading 1 video every week, recording a video daily, and editing the video every 3 days. Create a target or a system that, if you follow on a loop, will help you achieve your goal in the targeted period. Now you need to think of the system for your goal, something you can do every day for a period of time. The key is consistency and commitment. Don't let the chain break. Make sure you spend every single day on completing your daily tasks in the system you have created. And there you have it, top passive income ideas to help you make money while you sleep. Jack's story shows that success in any of these ventures comes down to consistency and effort. Start small, whether it's writing a short ebook, posting a few videos on YouTube, or launching a small product line. The important thing is to start now and keep building. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Let me know in the comment which passive income idea you're excited to try. Thank you for watching. Signing off from LIA.